Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your BitGo account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on enter. You will be directed to official page of BitGo. Now, at the top navigation bar, you will see a login link. Click on login. After that, you will need to type in your email address on this field here and a password on this field. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forget Password link and follow the procedures to reset it. Now click on Login button. After that, you will need to type your authentication code. Type the authentication code from your authenticator app. If you check this box here, you do not need to type in this code for next 30 days. After that, click on Verify button. After the verification is done, you will be logged into your BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.